Okay, so no, I can't do it. I've been trying to see if I could like maybe actually switch to like the actual vlog type of documentation, but I can't talk to myself while we're like around people. That's so weird to me. I even had to go over here and I still feel like I need to whisper. Yom, we're just gonna have lunch. Literally, like, there's not much that we're doing, which is just like good, I guess, because it's so hectic. Contemplating if I should take my camera. I feel like we're not using it that much anyway, so I don't know. We are learning. Wow, good job! And here goes Lana. She got a strike. She did. I'm gonna try it. But I'm not Sharia, so I can't talk. Okay, let's try actually.
But wait, I want to go request the song.
Go, can you?
I don't know. She did yours! Oh yeah! Now we're gonna do it again. Lana won because of her anger issues. Lana forgot to request the song. So how good is it? I knew it! Last round. Let's go.
What maniac?
Maniac.
Tomorrow at tease.
Tomorrow at tease. Hiya.
Oh my god.
Had Felix, Hyunjin, and Lino.
Slow it down.
We're being watched. Wait, thunderous. Girl, the choreography for these are like insane. I love it.
Why you mad? Why you sad? Why you tick tick tick? The panther.
عشان عيون لانا. عشان عيون لانا. Lana! عشان عيونه. It's the way she's like roped in.
طلعوا علينا حنا.
خليهم. Kick it, kick it. Like a diamond girl, so bright. Kill these guys.
Hi.
Girl.
Today's
our last full day بالأردن. Who's calling? أختي عم نسوق.
عطي تليفون لريم طيب.
مايا بدي لوكيشن.
هاي لانا. هاي. They brainwashed me.
صارت تحب كيبوب.
They brainwashed me. Bana brainwashed me with their hot abs.
يعني لا يعني انا بروح بسافر بتركك وهيك انتي بتعملي.
Listen to me. She showed me bank channel. Now I'm just we're married already.
انتوا
Has 1,000
بكره
husbands.
انبسطتوا؟
Yeah.
Had a lot of fun مع بانا.
I had a lot of fun being brainwashed.
Enjoy. I miss you guys.
Miss you
Miss
more.
you too. Did your match already happen?
متى ما عم نسمع شيء عنك.
We started yesterday. بكرة we have a game against Algeria. إن شاء الله نفوز.
طيب ممتاز. Love you.
Love you.
I love you guys. Bye.
And we're here.
Guys, show them my first thing.
Lana.
And then this one. This one's a bit, you know.
my god.
Look at this one.
لانا full on على الآخر حطت يعني جنة.
We just finished eating.
Yeah. And it's way too early and we have no clue what to do.
Nowhere to go. Nothing
Like,
to
what
do.
if we just, I don't know, look at Bang
Let's
Chan?
go.
Look at Bang
يا لانا يا الله لانا.
Wait, you're kidding. What? Wait.
No, I'm not even doing it right. I don't
Lana, I'm expecting an apology letter from you.
No!
Meta.
Their voices took over my...
And when I was playing it before and you were like, ew, whatever.
And then I saw Bang Chan. I saw the love of my life. I saw my husband.
Oh, your love story is
You
just
never
as sweet as
mentioned Bang
theirs.
Chan. When you mentioned Bang Chan, خلاص. Everything about it, خلاص. إنه connected with him. Like, we're more than just like those pictures, those songs, and from the interviews. مش عارفة شو. هيك حسيت.
Like أنا قلت لها تحضرك interviews. I'm feeling like defensive. Like she's like, oh yeah, أنت ما خلصتك بهالشيء. Like I didn't try to. السيارة عم بتهز. Come on, everybody.
Feel the car shaking.
Okay, يلا. حطيتها أنا. Oh, we're just chilling in the car هلا.
Yeah, why not?
Like. I'm shit so bad. Let's go. It's our last day. We're gonna have breakfast. So.
They're having breakfast. And this is... How do I get comfortable doing this? I got it.
You don't need
Evil smile.
keeping it on low for now. Okay? Nobody knows that we got married yet.
I got the poached salmon, like pretzel thing, and I got a piece of your French toast. And we shared the pretzel. Nice.
Lana simping over Bang Chan. Lana's dying. La, I can't believe what I'm like witnessing. Oh my god. You're gonna die. Stop
Bang Chan.
We'll leave it now.
It's fine.